Right, we're in McCormick Ranch, 2,761 square feet of open truss, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, by the way, all downstairs. There's a loft upstairs. Before we get to the condition of the house, we'll just show real quick the garage. Comes complete with cars. That's right. 2-car garage with 2 cars in it. Extra storage back there behind the midget door. Come back in. Come on, buddy. Do not touch anything. All right, so we begin at the entry. As I mentioned, it's got a lot of big space. These giant open trusses, tongue and ceiling roof. Yes, it has not been trashed out. Yes, it smells like a cat's ass. But look beyond. Have some vision. There's the fridge hole. As you can see by the fridge contents, they wound up on the floor. Yeah, countertops need to go, cabinets need to go. Wine fridge looks fairly this century. Island right here. We've got plenty of exits to the outside. This house has 2 yards, one siding a park with a swimming pool. That's this yard out here, which we will visit in a minute. We're in the dining room. There's the kitchen. It's a small boy scared out of his mind because his house has seen things. We got a bar area here. Llama. The llama has seen things. Let's see. So out here, come on. Want to come in? Out the first backyard, which side's the park, right over that fence. We've got lemon trees, we've got pool equipment wall, we've got exit to the master bedroom, a swimming pool, yeah, don't touch, and garbage cans that have obviously never been used. Come on, buddy, this way. Yes, I just left a 2-year-old unattended by an open pool. Fireplace with the Trump pipe. We've got a second courtyard here. Oh, there's where that little door to the garage went. Oh, it's for the little people's courtyard. Okay, so it's the little people backyard. That's southern facing, straight out that glass. Yeah, don't touch. Yeah, you're gonna see things, just you're looking at walls, you're not looking at the stuff. Lots of space. There's an exit right there to the pool area. This is the master bedroom. We're gonna come on back. We've got a container that looks like a bathtub. All sorts of fun stuff. Handicap railing. Yes. Don't tell your mother I brought you here. We're going to come through closet space. You know, your typical 1980s closet. We'll go up there last. That's the loft. Here we've got another bedroom. That is, large. Closet space. These are large bedrooms. I'd say that's easily 14 by 12. Hold on. We have somebody knocking on the door. Laundry room. Bathroom. Office. Another bedroom with good windows facing west. And a closet. And now we are going to go up the stairs to the loft because we've got a line of people wanting to come in and see this house. And here is the loft with a decent view down to the park out there. You see greenery up here. It's your typical storage loft. Yes, 2-year-old that knows the stairs. Right, bicentennial boy. Let's call this one a day.